Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about scrolling to a certain section within your website, and we're going to be using WordPress and the Elementor page builder. So basically you could actually do this on one page, or you can scroll to another page if you want. But in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how we can scroll down to a specific section using the anchor widget, and I'll show you what I mean. These buttons were specifically set up so when the user clicks on it, it's going to scroll down to that particular section. So as you can see, it scrolled down to that section. Let's go back up here, transportation. It scrolled down to that section. Scroll back up, and on there, on a budget. So you could see how you could actually use this, and again, you could actually use this the same way that I could put code behind here and click on it. It could actually take you to another page and scroll to that specific section also. So let's go into the page builder. I'm already in my website, and basically I set up all these different sections. Now the first step to do this is you have to name your sections. So in this particular case, I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to click on the section that you want to name. Okay. You hit, and then to use the menu or the menu anchor, you go over here and type in anchor. So it's a menu anchor widget, which is right here. Now, of course, you're not going to see this on the live site. You're only seeing this right here in the development area. So once you drag this over to your area that you want to scroll down to. In this case, I want it to scroll down to the top of this particular section. So I'm going to put this widget on the very top of this section. So let's go ahead and edit it. Now in here, in the ID of the menu anchor itself, I'm going to name it to whatever I want to name it. In this case, I put in places to stay. So when I click on this button, it's going to scroll down to this section right here. Again, it gives you restrictions. Note the ID link only accepts these characters. So in other words, in here you can only put A through Z, either capital or lowercase, numbers 0 through 9, and of course you can put in a underscore or a dash in between here. Now, in this particular, in the menu anchor, you do not need to put in the hash mark or the pound sign prior to your whatever your naming convention is. Now let's go back up here and let's edit the button itself. Again, you're not limited to this functionality by using just a button. You could use other widgets to do this also. So I just used a button in this particular case. So as you can see here in the button widget, under the content tab, I have this link here. So remember, I called this anchor widget places to stay. Now under the button itself, this time I have to preface it with the hash mark or the pound sign first, and then whatever you named it. So in other words, what you put here has to be an exact match of what you named this anchor widget here. Along with the uppercase or lowercase or whatever it is, it has to be an exact match. Now I stated that you could also link this, click on this, and it could link to another page. And all you have to do is just put in whatever page it is, / let's say it's the home page. You would put in / home / and then hash mark here right in front of that. Remove it over here, and that's how you could link it to another page and a specific section on that particular page. So that's how you would do that. So then that's what I did for each one of these buttons and sections. So I put in a menu anchor widget on top of the section where I want it to scroll to. So in this case, this section is called Things to Do. So I named it Things to Do over here, and then if I go back up here to this button, here, let me edit it. So here in the link portion, underneath the content tab for the edit button widget, I put in Things to Do, and I put in front of it the hash mark, the £. So that's how you could easily scroll to a specific section on your current page or a different page, and it allows a more user-friendly website, so they could just click a button and it automatically takes them to that specific section. So hopefully this was helpful for you today. Again, remember to come by often because I upload multiple videos, and I'll teach you what I know about web design and web development. Currently, I use the Builderall platform. Also, within the Builderall platform, just to let you know that we've integrated WordPress. So if you become a member of Builderall, you also have the WordPress environment also along with that. So if you want to know more about Builderall, just go to the description and below this video, and it'll take you to an area where you can learn more about Builderall. And also too, if you're I use the Elementor page builder with WordPress. So if you ever are interested in the free version or pro version, there will also be a link in the description also. Remember to like, share, and comment, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I appreciate you stopping by, and you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.